Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix high RAM usage in Windows. If you're using Windows 10 or 11 and you're facing the high RAM usage issue in your PC or in your laptop, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to go to your settings, just go to search, go to settings, and here the very first thing you can try to go to Windows update, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update here. If you find, just try to update your Windows. Once you update it, just go to apps, and in apps just scroll down and look for startup apps here. Just click on startup, and here you have to make sure that you have disabled the startup app for unnecessary apps. So once you have disabled, you just have to go back, and here you have to press Windows plus R to open run command. Now in this section, you have to enter this services.msc, then press OK. Now here you have to look for sysmain service. So I'm gonna looking for sysmain. So once you find, double click on it, and here select startup type, and then select disabled. And then stop service. From here I have already stopped it. So once you have stopped, just click on apply and then click OK. So once you have done, it might fix your issue. If it still not fix your issue, just press window button and here decide for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click open, and here you just have to select adjust for best performance, then press apply and then OK. Now once I'm done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to this window button again or search section again. Just search for Task Manager. Now once you are in Task Manager, you just have to look for the app is using most memory and disk usage of your PC. So in my case, I have this Google Chrome and memory, and this one and my disk usage. So if you want to stop them, you just have to right click on this and then click on end task. So once you have ended these tasks, these apps might not be able to use your disk or memory usage. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.